How to use Seecode NBT912 with Zello in iPhone. First, you can check this button. This button is power on and pairing mode. Power on, just click this button, but pairing mode is press this button over 5 seconds. And then you can check this red and green LED is blinking, and you can hear the voice power on and pairing. And then you go Bluetooth, and you can find the NBT912. This time, just green LED is blinking, and you can hear the voice. Pad, your headset is connected. Go to Zello, in setting, click this push to talk button and add a new device. You can check this button is PTT button and click 3 times. And test PTT button is good work. This is how to use Seecode NBT912 with Zello in iPhone. Android phone is same to this way. Thank you.